Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm with my cousin.
NANI?
She's sad because she didn't get one of the things I got. These are from Dave & Buster's. First, we're going to be opening a pig. Stretchy thing. Allie was obsessed that she didn't get this. One second, guys. My sister does not. And let's rip this big boy. Pig. So it's like a pig stretchy pig. This feels like the banana, kind of, but harder. Ellie, want to show them what you got? Okay. What the frick? So next I got this. And now we have these. They're creepers. I think it's supposed to stick on the wall. Yeah, these stick on the wall. Okay, let me test them out. Real weird. Okay, we're gonna test them out on this one.
I want to show them what I'm drawing.
Whoa, just crawls down.
I want to show them what I drew.
So my cousin wants to show you what she drew. These feel amazing. So this is what she drew. Now I'm showing them.
Okay.
So that's what she drew. She didn't make those leaves. That's a texture in the back. Okay. That's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you all next time. Bye.